That's his nickname.
Eddie?
Yeah. Keegan Miller, 165. Beehive, top 25 tournament.
How much you use that?
I think he got pinballs. Yeah.
Awesome.
Head, bury the head.
Patrick's up, wasn't he?
Yeah. Patrick. Your phone? You gotta pressure that head when you come out, Keegan. Finish that, finish!
Back.
Here you go, turn. Hey, you gotta keep that back down and score points there. Hip. Keegan, wrist, drag the hip. Drag that hip over. Heads down, run it. Heads down, run. Keegan, anytime that head drops. Stay tight, Patrick. Jack that hip. If you go wrist, you gotta drag the hip. Just go wrist. Jack the hip over. Keegan. Heads down. Elbows down, angle. Head. Cross face, go behind. Get your points, Keegan. Keegan, whizzer down. Clamp down on that whizzer. Head! Come around, bury his head. You don't have any points here with that. Snap it down, Keegan. Sweep, front headlock, snap him down.
Good head position. Move him though, now move him. Don't hang out, Keegan, move him around. Don't sit flat.
Keegan, Russian, you gather that arm.
Move him.
Get out of that tie. Scoop his head.
Scores backwards.
Bring your head out. You fix it there.
That's your choice.
Keegan's bad about getting out of these positions and turning into guys. fast, but he doesn't apply any head pressure when he comes around. I like the switches here, but sometimes he just hangs out and waits too long.
Go, Keegan, go. Go.
Come on, Keegan, let's go here.
Go get him.
Swim across. Keep that Turk. Keep that Turk. Keep that leg split.
Hey, one near fall. Give me one near fall, Keegan.
Keegan, turn him here.
Give me one near fall.
Pop the hip down. Get it in. Bar, bar. Keegan, anytime that hip's up, you got to bring it back. Lift and drive. Lift and drive. Stay crossbody. There we go.
Keegan, let him up. Keegan, let him up.
Let him up, Keegan.
Just let him up. Get the pin.